Karma Guy here. Don't miss out on this low mileage, one owner 2011 Lexus RX 450h Sport Utility with a complete dealer service history. Recent service valued at over $125. It's in great shape. This Lexus is dealer certified pre-owned, backed by a 3-month, 3,000-mile warranty and a 5-year maintenance plan available at a discounted price. Ask about our lifetime warranty upgrade at the time of sale. Recent service includes a fresh oil and filter change, and we've completed a computer scan showing no trouble codes or dash lights. Everything is in perfect condition. Buying a car is a big decision, and we encourage a pre-purchase inspection. Please note, price reductions or discounts will void the CPO status and warranty. Take advantage of this amazing offer, and remember, the bitterness of poor quality remains long after the sweetness of a low price is forgotten.